Abonnez-vous, subscribe.
Yango matungulu na ngai yango oyo bapusiaka bamama so bozwi occasion ya kosala biloko na ndako osala yango eza vraiment bien. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Bonjour bandeko, soyez les bienvenus na chaîne Mama Didi. Sukupoza mutasika, soyez les bienvenus kaka. Bandeko, le na osa matungulu ya poussière. Ta matungulu nani na soy matungulu na awa. Na matungulu ebele ni bomone ze ebele wana. O blan na soma ze ebele. Siko o so tiki on te ebele boyo, tiki matungulu boye, o mona ke beba. Mais so se matungulu na poussière on va net matungu a normal na zana tiki on mais osko non salon la poussière o banana sombia au monde comme bon siko non salon la poussière so c'est matungu na poussière et wumelaka qui est sur les fraîche so on les a vu fresh boy tiko ga insmen e vana boy au monde be ni comme ko beba mais so salongo ya okauka e ko beba yote ce qui ya OK matungu ya fresh sili mo bo no bimate o sele matungu no o banika bandeko. This one is my onion. I need to make today. I need to make onion powder. I need to make, and then you look my onion here. You know, I like powder onion because it's taking more longer than fresh onion, and then that's why I want to do that. And then I'll keep it here. After that, when I make my onion, I keep that in my house. Sometimes maybe I'm so tired, my fresh onion finish, I get my powder onion, I use it. That means, you know, it's just easy. It's easy, you can do it at home. But they go to your clothes, so blue and so and dark. Low to blue and so and dark, exactly. Kosoma pesa nango. Mais kosana ndaku ndele ki bien o ebini ngo sale biloko na yo moko. Siko na olo na wa poso ya bandeko. And you take his skin off. I'll take the skin off and then I'll be back. Bandeko siko awawa na longoli ba poso bomona sokoli yango na longo ba poso na sokolo siko na katango na katango fa na kausango. Here you can see here guys, I already take my skin off and then I wash it. You see here I wash and then I need to chop that, and then after that I will dry that. I'll make that dry. Move the camera. Now siko silly, bobundenge silly, and na kapson. Now is already I already finished to chop all, and then I put that to dry. And I chance koyo na para ikauka bandeko. Neza we misi kama ya misu mama nangai. Misi tambe. Chance for nous la partie tiens. Car bongo et angeza 5 ce qui autoni si obaxi musuka bongo ti ekoka 5. We have that 5 that thing, and then I need to put another one after. I'll put another one because it was 5 all together part. Yango yo na 6 bon na tel numéro de til en 5 des ans de tondi. Siko na 6 après na kangi yango. Après na kangi on finit ko. Put that 55 à 60. Na chona 55 to 60. It was on. Bandeko tozongi awa bomoni matungu na jonde ekauki. Matungu vraiment ekauki vraiment. We are back here. Look, my onion already dry. I need to put a machine. And I change the machine now. If you have your machine food dehydrator, guys, make your own ingredient at home. Easy, like powder ginger, powder garlic, onion. Is many things you can make at home with a food dehydrator. Bande kusoza na pare na nda kukosa la bloko ya kukauka yo moko po ebindengo sale loko na yo yango nazo kotia na machine. Nongoli mufenoko. Take the lid off. Yango ya sina nongoli yango. No? This is very dry. Et kauki vraiment. Na minute et niki. Machine est vraiment super. Omoni na minute eniki mbala moko na minute eniki mususu on nota deuxième tour eniki na minute bo solo moko ezali na minute. This machine is very good, you know, it's quick, looks smooth, just a minute. Oh, deuxième tour. This is the second time. Tu na passoa tu passango we anoba passoa no todo yungo lango passoa nani nga bompe esala mo ebima penza moko mais au petit kala pe no boka ngote ni bona sa poisson bona cha una poisson no sa. This so the rest I don't put the bean. I'll put that inside my fishy. No cha una poisson no sa ledo. No reste no. On se tika na poussière vraiment oh you know cha. Ni this the rest. Bon il reste des tika. No boka on peut-être. Yango yo moni bimi na nde fufu simofu oza na somo ko kwa grâce etikali yango bandi bomoni oyebimisinga yango ya bo oyebimi yango bomoni ndenge ebela matunguna na sata oyebimisinga siko o batekana ba shop mo batekango na ezebele ba otekango basalaka combien matungulu en plus ya bango o batekana ba shop wana ezateka matungulu basaka biloko mususu wana po monto comme ebele biloko bakoma bakisa ba ocho ba production na ko vimba siko yango c'est mieux bandi ko to sala biloko na ndako ebela matungulu wana ta kope misingai nge tonda mene etondite ebela matungulu wana bomoni ngeza bomoni to sala biloko na ndako to bine to saleli yango eza vraiment important ko sala biloko na ndako nango facile so ba pareil yo bo sala biloko na ndako le bo so bo sala yo ndenge sala eloko na yo ba merci ben Thank you everyone for your watching. If you like my video how to make it on your powder, you can share it. Guys, I think it's nice. You can make your own food at home. If you can make it. That's easy. This is easy. Well, when you have just a machine, food dehydrator, you have a blender, you can make your onion powder, garlic powder. You can make your own. I think that is good. Thank you to everyone. Thank you for your supporting. Thank you. You can share if you like my video. Bande kosuko spena video mada sali bo partage baninga mususu bazwa. Malade na mukule kume bele. Peut-être ba mélange ba sosana biloko yango eza malade. To boyite ata o sani yo malade eza nango mais eza diminuer kwa eloko no salo ebele oni tie na obat basaleli yo ebite ba tieni na kati. Merci bandeko, abonnez-vous à la chaîne Maman Lydie, pour partager, pour commenter la vidéo ou commenter. Merci beaucoup. Bye.